On my way to work. This is the workflow look. And I'm just going to work. Thank God it's Friday. Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. God, it's Friday. So I went to work this morning and I had to leave half day because I have an appointment at this hospital for my pre-op assessment because I will be coming here on Monday to have a surgery on my right hand. I am suffering from carpal tunnel syndrome, which we know as trapped nerve.
Normal temperature. Please proceed.
Yes, I have an appointment 1:30. Watch me and I people them hospital. Hey, me I go and like my brave, you know. I pity you, no know. My stress.
So what's your name, please? What's your name?
Aleciachristopher. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to record anything in that room because it's a bit personal. Let me tell you what's going on with my hand. At the moment, I'm having symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome, including pain, numbness, tingling, weakness in the fingers, hand and arm, and it started to affect my neck. So that's the reason why I am doing this surgery, because I have already tried steroid injection and that didn't work. Guys, the pain was so bad at night I wasn't able to sleep, and it was also affecting my daily life and also my work. Hopefully after doing this surgery everything will be okay. At the moment I'm just praying and I will leave everything in God's hands. Monday 24th of May 2021, this is the day of my surgery and I'm back at the hospital. This is a very small hospital and I really like what I'm seeing. This is my own personal space. I don't have to share a room or bathroom with anyone, and thumbs up for that. The place is very clean, as you can see, and I'm just gonna make myself comfortable and wait until they come and get me. Wish me good luck and hopefully everything will go well. I will see you when I get outside of the theater. I'm not able to film when I'm doing the surgery. This morning we didn't eat because I swear that this surgery I'm gonna put me to sleep or something like that. So I never eat no food. Never eat nothing, never drink no tea. So after the surgery now they give me something. But what me expect never happen. People them they nice, the doctor nice and friendly. So I just hurt up my head for no reason. I ball on the place for no reason. Cause I swear I never feel pain, but I never feel the doctor or problem. No. This is a hospital, right? And look on the amount of sugar they give me. Now I know the people them place. Like say them beat me up. And the people them not do me nothing. And them not do a healthy. I woke up my head last night, I never sleep. This morning now, I get ready. And I tell you, say, me swear, say, I want big old operation I go on. And they never put me to sleep and all these things. It was so easy. Hopefully them finger here can start feeling better. Cause at night, I was feeling so much pain, so much cramp. So hopefully it will feel better. But if I look at coffee or something, I never need it. Can stay up all night. So yeah, the man I go give me some pain, no pain. Surgery was successful. Can't complain. Just time to take some time off work now and recover. To recover from this and then start again. Thank you, God, for everything you have done for me and what you are about to do. Open doors for me, oh God, that man think they can shut. That's all I can say. So girl pack her bag as if she a go again for a holiday. Yeah, in case. Cause girl like to prepare, you know. Them girl you prepare themselves all the time.
Right.
Yes.
Are you alright for me to go over your paperwork with
Yes,
you?
yes.
Yeah, is that alright? Do you need some help? We're going to take all the stitches out.
Okay.
Yeah. It's upstairs in the outpatient department, and then you'll follow on at 9:05 to see Mr. Yanni.
Yeah.
Alright, so the two upstairs in the outpatient department. So until then, you've got to keep all that bandage as it is now.
Say, when the doctor give me the injection, you know, I be crying. You would have think the doctor murder me. Anyway, I'm going home now and I will be coming back in 2 weeks' time to remove the stitches.
On my way home, girl look like she just get beat up and knocked up. I could have caused all of this.
On my way home, I need to stop at a local pharmacy and get some strong painkiller because after the anesthetic wears off, I know I'm gonna be in pain. My friend Tracy found out that I had a surgery today and she brought me some lovely goodies, flowers, and she gave me this lovely gift bag with a perfume. On the perfume it marks "Get Well Soon" on the ribbon. And she gave me also a pair of earrings because she knows I like jewelry. Thank you, Tracy. And she gave me a card, a Get Well Soon card. And the card reads as follows: a little get well wish. You're usually always on the go, rushing here and there, lots to see and lots to do, and not much time to spare. But now you're just a little low, not feeling at your best. It's time to put your feet up. Oh my God, and take a well-earned rest. Thank you, Tracy, for your gift, and I hope to get well really soon so that I can enjoy myself. Now, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like my video, and click the notification bell to see more. Part 2 is coming soon. Bye, guys.